Okay, on page 599 in our textbook, let's look at number 10. What you need to do, let's see, well, let's go ahead and look at the formula here. The formula is the sum, so I'm going to use S. This is equal to the first term times 1 minus the ratio to the nth power over 1 minus R. Okay, the ratio, what are you multiplying by each time? That's not too bad. You know the first term, that's not too bad. The tricky part is finding n. And to find n, we're going to go off here to the side, kind of like what we did yesterday, but use the formula for geometric. So to find n, use that formula. Okay, go ahead and try it out. I'll be back with you in several hours. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to start with this. The last term is 768. The first term is 3. The ratio, what are you multiplying by each time? 2. To solve this equation, you do exponents before you do multiplication, so you do the reverse of that when you're solving it. So divide both sides by 3. Let me see here. 3 into 7, that goes 2 times with 1 left over. 3 into 16 is 5 with 1 left over, and 3 into 18 is 6. And that's no coincidence. Look at your 2 power chart over on the wall, or you have a power chart, and this should be a power of 2. These will work out evenly. If you get to this point, and this is not a power of 2, or a power of whatever number's here, you did something wrong. So check your math. 9 times out of 10, should I say. So this is 2 to what power? Count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 8th. 2 to the 8th power. Okay, so what value minus 1 will give me that 8? And is 9. So we did that work to figure out what m was. Let's come back over here and evaluate this formula here. So the first term is 3. 1 minus, let me see, the ratio is 2 to the 9th power over 1 minus 2. And from here, it's order of operations. 2 to the 9th power, again, look at your chart. That's 512. 1 minus 2 in the denominator is negative 1. That's going to be negative 511. As I'm working this out, 3 times that divided, okay, positive times negative divided by negative is positive, and 3 times 511 is 1533. Beautiful. So all these numbers in this list, make sure your answer makes sense. Yeah, that looks about right. The biggest number there is 768, so it's got to be bigger than that. We're adding a bunch of numbers. 1533 looks good. Let's look at one more problem. Oh, I didn't write down the problem number. Go ahead and look and find this one. Find the number for me, please. N is from 1 to infinity. Oh, whoops. Never mind. Number 22. Scratch all this. Sorry about that. I was looking at the wrong part of my notes. That's why there wasn't a problem number there, because it wasn't a problem. I was looking at the thing from the notes. So number 22, you have negative 54, minus 18, minus 6, minus dot, dot, dot. This dot, dot, dot at the end means that n is infinite. It's going to go on forever. Okay, so find the ratio, see if it converges or diverges, and then find the sum if you can. Good luck. I'm back. Okay, in general, when you see these numbers getting smaller, you're multiplying by a number less than 1, and it will converge, and this one is going to converge as well. You probably notice that you're dividing by 3, and you can see that just with this pair right here. 18 divided by 3 is 6, then you can check it again with that. So the ratio is 1/3. If you're dividing by 3, you're multiplying by 1/3. This is less than 1, so this is going to converge. Use your formula. The first term is negative 54. 1 minus 1/3. Copy, change, flip. And that will give you negative 81. 54 divided by 2, I do that first. 27 times 3, negative 81. Go ahead and do your 3 questions. Your assignment. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening. See you tomorrow.